All right, we're going on an adventure cook and we're taking the bike. We're gonna bike out to this nice little campsite and we're gonna cook some buffalo chicken wings. It's gonna be really good.
Change tomorrow, we gotta change today. We gotta come together and find another way. I think we can make it happen. Together I believe we can be the change we want to see.
Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I just want to thank you for checking it out and to let you know that I like to do these adventure cooks where we go out and cook something fun in a fun and entertaining way. I also do some barbecuing as well. So you have all that to look forward to. So please subscribe. Check out some more of my videos. Woo! I don't know if biking's any easier than hiking. These big hills, I have to hike the bike up, so I'm sucking a little bit. Man, it's pretty out here. That lake is nice and blue looking. Ah, nice breeze. Oh, come on, get up the hill. Oh, didn't quite get up it. And that's what I worry about. We're okay.
Today's gonna look good with the frame around it. Like a dream come true, so glad we found it. Sunshine through the window pane. Hear music when you speak my name. There's a rhythm of a life here in the moment, so let's own it. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day with you by my side. All we gotta do is wake up. All we gotta do is wake up now. That's a bottle we can shake up. Shake it up, pass it all around.
Might have lost a good friend today. That was terrible. I hope it's not over, mister. You've got a lot of life left in you. Maybe we can revive you. If not, I hope you guys have appreciated the drone shots, but they're gonna stop for a while. Okay, so here's our little spot. It's got a nice little fire pit here. Looks like somebody was gonna camp or did something here. Maybe had a little shelter. All right, let's get everything set up. We'll get the firebox going. We'll get our chicken prepped for some buffalo chicken wings. Whew, I'm hungry, very hungry. Just get the firebox out. Put it in this here fire pit. Now I'm going to be using some charcoal today. Should provide a nice long heat so we can get them chicken wings going. Okay, so we are going to be pan frying these buffalo chicken wings. We've got some oil. We're going to get that nice and hot, and then we'll get those buffalo chicken wings in there all crispy. It's going to be really good. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to make up our little egg wash. Now I've got 2 eggs, except for one kind of broke on its way out here. Oh well, I'll just add what I can. There we go. Then what we'll do is we'll add in a little bit of Frank's RedHot. Now I've got the buffalo wing sauce here. Just add that in. I don't know how much. Just kind of putting a little bit in there. Whisk that together. Okay, so now for our batter mix, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix up this flour. I've got about a cup of flour with some other ingredients. Let me show you. Okay, so what we're gonna add to the flour is we've got some onion powder, about 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna add some salt, about a tablespoon or so. Just kind of mixing this up, giving it some good flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and hit some sweet heat in there. Now this is really good stuff. If you don't have this, just add some cayenne or something like that, maybe some sriracha. Go ahead and add that in there. Good healthy bit. Something like that. Go ahead and give that a nice mix. Mix it all up. Make sure you can see some good spices in there. If you don't see that, add a little more maybe. All right, those coals are nice and hot. Let's get that oil on there. Get these chicken wings cooking. Now I went ahead and leveled out my firebox. Make sure you do that. So we're just gonna be using some vegetable oil. I have about 3/4 of a cup, I think. We'll add that there. Okay, so I went ahead last night and chopped up some chicken wings into these nice little bite-sized pieces. They're gonna be so good. Let's bread them. Okay, so we'll just take a chicken wing. Look at that wing. Look at that. All right, so what we'll do is we'll just dip it in here. Make sure you drain it off. We'll stick it in our flour mixture there. Just kind of flop them around in there. Give them a little shake. Shake action. We'll set them over here. Oh, yes. Little bit of a dip. Little bit of a powdering. Setting her down. Oh yeah, look at those. Nice and battered up. All right, let's get them in that oil. Get them nice and crispy and delicious. Oh, I'm so hungry. All right, we're looking for an oil temperature around 350. I say we're just about there. Oh yeah, we're climbing. All right, let's get them chickens rolling. Now I'm probably gonna do about 5 at a time here. See how much it cools down. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover them up and let them sit there for about 5 minutes. And then we'll rotate them. All right, let's go ahead and give those a flip. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice and brown. Whew. Oh yeah. Now we'll cover it up once again and we'll let those sit for about another 3 or so minutes. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at those. Oh yeah, those are looking nice and crispy. I think they're gonna be good. We'll go ahead and just transfer them over to here. Make sure we got a good internal temp. Looking for 165. Oh yeah, probably a little more than that for sure. Good to go. Okay, we'll go ahead and set that plate on top of there. Keep them kind of warm. And we'll go ahead and put these ones in. Now your oil is going to cool down quite a bit once you put these in there. So just make sure you keep fueling that fire. Woo. There we go. Oh yeah. They're done. We'll pull them off. get them in this here plate. And then we'll toss them in some sauce. Okay, we'll go ahead and cover those up. We'll set this to the side here so it can cool down, so we can take care of that. All right, now what we need to do is we need to melt some butter. I've got about 2 tablespoons here. All right, let's melt it up. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this butter in here with the Frank's RedHot sauce, and we're gonna toss them. Give it a good shake. Just kind of put as much as you want in there. Yeah, that'll do. Close it up and give her a good shake. Oh yeah, give it a nice shake. Be gentle though. You want to be easy with these little chickens. They're fragile, you know. You don't want to destroy them because you want to eat them. All right, let's take a peek. See what they look like. Ha ha ha! Look at them! That looks so good. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll move that out of the way. Got a little bowl here. Just put our little chickens in the bowl. Gotta make them look nice, you know. Oh yeah. Maybe a little celery and carrot. Just toss that right in there. Something like that. And I think it's missing one more thing. Let's see if we can find it. I think it's usually down here somewhere, kind of by the water. There it is, wild green onion. Grab some of that. Go ahead and cut some of those off in there. Ah, yes. There you have it, buffalo wings on the firebox stove. It worked. It totally works. Take a look at that. Would you look at that? That looks awesome. And it's gonna taste just as awesome. All right, here we go. Oh man. Oh wow. That's amazing. Oh, that's so good. Perfectly cooked. It's got the heat, but not a ton of heat. It's the buffalo sauce, so it's somewhat mild. But you know what? I think that sweet heat is kicking in now. And there's a little heat to that. Oh man. That is so awesome. Little chicken wing on the firebox stove. It can be done, and it's awesome. And I will do it again and over again. Man, I'm never gonna lose weight. Seriously though, some of the best chicken wings I've had. Sorry guys, I know it's really not fun to watch somebody eat wings. So I'm just gonna eat them with my back turned to you. Oh. Can also add a little bit of blue cheese if you want. Oh man, so good. Okay, that oil is all cooled down. We'll go ahead and throw it in this. Go ahead and take that home.
The piece of me keeps pulling on you like an anchor's weight. I see a distant storm and wanna keep you close at bay. I only want the best for you, that's true, make no mistake. In time you'll see the best of me, clearing up the way. Never give up, reaching for love, sooner or later I know you'll understand. Never give up. Somewhere along the line I got tied up inside my head. Tried to guide the tide but slipped under the waves instead. But now I am a different man, I'm thinking as I should. Turbulence, it comes from holding on to something good.